Hi, my name is Jonathan Netzer, and I'm Tabor's Product Marketing Manager. Welcome to Tabor's product video tutorial. Today we'll learn about how to simply generate sequence waveforms with Tabor's Wavexciter series. Sequence waveforms are constructed from two or more arbitrary waveform segments, which can be combined, mixed, looped, or nested in order to create complex scenarios without compromising valuable memory space. The first step to build a sequence is to download your waveforms into the different segments, or to split a large waveform into several segments. Once that's done, we can build our sequence. To begin, press the sequence button in the function menu. A new set of menus appears on the screen. Press the active sequence menu button to select the index number of the sequence to be defined. To program the sequence, press the View Table menu button. The sequence table is displayed on screen. Each row in the table includes the step number of the row, the segment number of the arbitrary waveform to be generated, the repeat count, which defines the number of times the segment is to be replayed, and a jump flag, which specifies how to proceed at the end of a segment replay. In order to continue to the next segment automatically, enter 0 on the jump flag field. If you wish to wait for an event before proceeding to the next segment, enter 1. Use the menu buttons to insert, edit, or delete the steps in the sequence table. Here we will add 3 steps. Generate segment number 1 once, segment number 2 twice, and segment number 3 times. Don't forget to press the Apply Changes button for the changes to take effect. Once you're done, you may press the top menu button to return to the sequence menu for more options, such as sample clock, amplitude, we scroll down, offset, and config menu. The config menu button enables access to more advanced setup options, such as sequence type, advanced mode, select source, and timing. The sequence type button selects between normal sequence or advanced sequence mode. The advanced sequence mode enables the creation of advanced multi-sequence scenarios, which will be covered in a dedicated tutorial. Advanced mode selects the method for advancing to the next step in the sequence table. Auto advances automatically to the next step. At the end of the sequence is repeated from the beginning. Once advances automatically to the next step. However, at the end of the sequence is not repeated. When choosing this advanced mode, a once count menu button appears. It allows to specify the number of times the sequence is to be repeated. And finally, step advanced mode. In this mode, a jump bit flag is appended to each step in the sequence, which means that the advancement to the next step occurs only following an assertion of a jump event signal. Select source assigns control of selection of segments and sequences for generation. The bus option enables control by remote PC commands, whereas the external allows to dynamically assert control via the AWG's rear panel 9-pin control connector. The Select Timing button specifies how to switch to a different sequence when that sequence is selected. Coherent means the currently running sequence is completed before switching to the next sequence. Immediate means the currently running sequence is immediately terminated and the newly selected sequence begins. Scrolling down reveals 2 more buttons: Jump Event and Sync Clock. The Jump Event button specifies the source that will provide jump events, signaling the start of a new segment, which can be bus or external event, similar to the sources described before. The Sync Log button specifies the step number in the sequence that generates the sync output pulse. Once the sequence is defined, to turn on the output, simply select channel 1 or channel 2 on the keypad and press the output key to turn the channel on or off. Thank you for joining me on this video tutorial, and be sure to visit our YouTube channel for more product video tutorials.
Tabor Electronics, a high-end, world-leading signal source company.